Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called How Can I Modernize My Home Without Changing the Floor Plan? Now let's get down to brass tacks. We all want a fresh, sophisticated home, but not all of us are ready for the hullabaloo of tearing down walls. Fear not, because I'm here to sprinkle some wisdom that'll have your home feeling as modern as tomorrow without a single swing of the sledgehammer. First off, paint is your best friend. A fresh coat of paint can transform a space faster than a caterpillar becomes a butterfly. Go bold with an accent wall or keep it sleek with soothing neutrals. Creating a clean backdrop with light shades can open up your space, making it feel more expansive without the price tag of an architect's redesign. And let's not forget lighting. Upgrading fixtures to include dimmers or smart bulbs is like finding the perfect lighting for that elusive selfie. You'll bathe your home in soft, flattering light. Switch up the vibe with a tap on your phone and save energy to boot. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. For kitchen aficionados, consider swapping hardware and appliances. Nothing says modern like stainless steel or sleek black matte finishes. They're the little black dress of kitchen decor. Timeless, smart, and oh so stylish. Add glass cabinet fronts or open shelving, and suddenly your kitchen sings with new notes. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. When updating aesthetics, ensure you're not adding more chaos than calm. Furniture should be a mix of comfort and clean lines. Opt for multifunctional pieces that marry form with flexibility. Embrace technology, folks. Smart thermostats, automated blinds, and high-tech entertainment systems can turn your house into a domain that C3PO would envy. Integrating smart tech keeps you on the cutting edge and simplifies life more persuasively than a new gadget at a tech fair. And then there are the floors. You don't need to replace them to create impact. Rugs can offer texture, warmth, and whimsy without the commitment. Layer styles that add depth and define spaces, injecting modern flair with each step. Lastly, let's sprinkle a little nature inside. Plants are the perfect, affordable addition, bringing freshness and life to your abode. Even the most minimalist home can whisper modernity when it's flushed with the greenery. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.